Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of January 27th through February 2nd, 2025 using my Traveler's Notebook size planner from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my Traveler's Notebook size planner. I'm going to be going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread. I'm going to be using this stencil from the Crafters Workshop. Thank you so much to them for sending this stencil to me. I'm also going to be using this quote stamp set from Heidi Swapp. These days of the week stamps from this set from Elle Studio. I'll be using my favorite number stamps from Heidi Swapp. I'll be using the January stamp from this set from Paper Person, and we are continuing on with my rainbow theme for January, so I'll be using these 5 distressed oxides as well as my black VersaFine ink. This is going to be my last of my rainbow spreads. I'm honestly sad that the rainbow spreads are over. I definitely see myself coming back to rainbow spreads in whatever way I can in the near future, but we are starting out this spread with the paint splatter stencil here. I have it along the leftmost area of the first page of my spread, and I'm basically going in with my distressed oxides to create this rainbow gradient. I do have to reposition this stencil because it's not long enough to take up the whole vertical length of the notebook I'm using, but it ended up working out just fine because this isn't like a continuous stencil, so it works well. I am going to the bottom right corner of the rightmost page to do a little bit more of that splatter for a future quote stamp. And now we're going along to put in the dates and days of the week. I did put in some lines to make sure that everything was done nice and evenly in terms of where I'm putting down the dates and days of the week, especially with this number stamp set where the height of each number varies. And once I'm done with Sunday, I am going to go into that bottom right corner and put down this Self-Love Club stamp. The last bit that we're going to do here is using my January stamp from Paper Person. I unfortunately got a little bit of excess ink on it, so I did have to wipe it off, but we are putting it down vertically on the leftmost area, but towards the bottom because I did not like the way that it came out last week with January towards the top of the page. And then I forgot to show in my intro that I am using a week number sticker from Stick with Kate, which I just put right down next to January. And the last thing we're going to do is put in some lines to separate each day of the week using my Micron in 08. Once I erase all of my pencil marks, we're going to be done with this week's spread. I really love the way that this came out. It's obviously very subtle because the stencil is not super in your face, but I really like how subtle it is. It gives just a hint of color, really focuses on the functionality of the spread, which I think is nice. And so I'm glad I made that choice for my last rainbow spread of the month. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me, and as always everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.